Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kini kilongi khubor bam tagasni. Kawai ki school ki bla pau bha shakmad ha ki jingpuli Hari Boy District ka school Alpha English High Secondary School Nongpo kalapulong ya ka jing lumlang ya ki khna school lingba ka science exhibition kabalong kum shibenta ban penslor ya ki khna puli ban yakhun bet ban jiet ya ka subject science kabaya ka ni ka subject ki babon ki khna puli ne na ki we ki jila ki le bhaban ne shitam khnang ban suk hadin habun bat ru ban kentiu ya ka jingnang jing start ha ka than da ka batip ya ka science ha gani ka sngi ka baminta ki khana school ki ble shimbenta ka science exhibition kabala pelong ha plau jong gani ka school ki khana school ki lawan ra ya ki jingshna ki ba ki muddur da ka jing start jong ki hakmat ki nong hi kai ha kabala la ban sakhi ya ka jing start jong ki khana ban pin I ya ka jing la ban pin I ya ki jing shna ba pher da ka ba muddur bat shna hi kum ka jing pet bnya ya ka jing trai shitom jong ki khana school ban wanra ya ki ni ki jing shna ki be dei ba ka subject science la sakhi da ka principal jong ka school ka kong WK bla ubabu Madav Singh ubabu A password lembat ki we
Actually on 28th Feb, but we are doing it now because of some issues. Hope that you all will enjoy the program and have a good memory about it and even learn.
When we release the pressure, it comes back down.
Oh, fantastic. Very, very good. Yes, very, very good.
Hydraulic bridge is a bridge. Hydraulic bridge is a bridge hydraulic bridge is a type of a movable bridge that use a hydraulic system to lift all its sections.
Do you know where is this bridge?
Used for.
I don't know where is it? Let's see. This kind of a bridge.
London Bridge.
Wow, congratulations. Okay, thank you. They have done a great job. Okay. And then no, last season.
Thank you, sir, for coming, and thank you, ma'am, for allowing such activities at our school. And we'd like to thank our sir Singh for giving us the opportunity for making such for them. And my name is Lumlang. I am from class 10, and I am from the group Thomas Edison. And our topic is about acid rain.
Oh.
So before we explain about our main topic, acid rain, we would like to talk about a little bit about our this substance can rise to high speed